I'm Shango. The iPhone 14 is not much different from the iPhone 13, so you really have to speak more about the iPhone 14 Pros, which is the Pro and the Pro Max. So I went to the Apple Store to check out the new Pro and Pro Max based on the excitement with the Dynamic Island. If you have watched any of my previous videos, you would have saw my reaction of the iPhone 14. I was super excited. I'm still super excited. I haven't really gotten mine as yet. I haven't purchased it as yet. Planning to purchase either the Pro or the Pro Max. I'm still trying to figure out which one I will actually purchase. I'm leaning more to the Pro Max because of the size, but who knows. I went to the store to see all the phones except the iPhone 14 Plus, which is not out as yet. I'm kind of a little bit wondering what's going on with the iPhone 14 Plus. Even though it seems like a supply chain problem, I don't know if it's kind of like a marketing thing for Apple. We'll talk about that in the next video. But I went to the store, I did my hands-on, I played with the Dynamic Island, and I must say the Dynamic Island is quite impressive. It's something new, and I believe that because it's something new, a lot of persons are gonna gravitate to that, especially tech enthusiasts like myself. We want the new. We want the latest features, the newest one. And the iPhone 14 Pro, based on the prices, are the most expensive, newest iPhones. So you have the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max. I think the Pro is $19.99 and the Pro Max is $1,099. So they're almost two phones over $1,000 when you add tax to them. Yes, I'm quite impressed with the finish. Deep purple, gold, silver, and space black. I am definitely going for the space black when I purchase mine. I'm gonna purchase mine more later down in the year, probably like November or December. I still want to go and ask many persons. It's actually something that I plan to do in the coming weeks. To go and ask a lot of persons like what are their take if they're going to purchase a new iPhone, how do they feel about the Dynamic Island and more. Because while as a tech enthusiast I am super excited about the Dynamic Island, I'm super excited about the new phones, I realize that that is not necessarily the same energy that I get from a regular person, a person who doesn't necessarily follow technology like I do. I'll be going out there, I'll be trying to find persons, whether they are tech enthusiasts, whether they are not, and have a conversation with them about the iPhone and other products, but mainly the iPhone and new iPhone and how do they feel about it. Is certain thing on the new iPhone a gimmick? That's what I've been hearing persons saying. Or does this upgrade warrant it? I have a bone to pick with Apple though. Come on, Apple. The iPhone 14 should have had USB-C. And the reason for this is that as a tech content creator, as a content creator overall, when you create content on the iPhone, you're shooting videos. I'll be using my iPhone almost like a third camera. And I'll be shooting long form videos on my iPhone. But the major issue with the Lightning port are the speeds that you get to transfer stuff through the Lightning port. And even if they're recommending AirDrop speeds are still not fast enough. Please, I'm begging you, Apple. I am a Apple stan. I have a lot of Apple products. But I'm begging you, Apple. If the iPhone 15 don't come with USB-C, I can't promise you guys I'll be using iPhone as my main phone. Because especially if you want to purchase such an expensive phone and then you want to use it as a content creation tool, and the limitation of the phone is based on the cable that you can plug into the phone, and it's based on speeds that are ridiculously low. And the worst part about it, you have the iPad Pro, you have the MacBook, you have all of these other devices with USB-C. So it's not like Apple exclusively have a problem with USB-C, but they don't want to give the iPhone USB-C. I don't know. I know that they make a lot of money off of licensing from the Lightning port, but come on, Apple. If you're gonna make such a capable phone, if you're gonna put in 4K 60 cinematic mode, but when I shot a cinematic mode video, I'll be like, I cannot get this file off the phone in any decent time. I have to spend hours trying to get the file off the phone. So Apple, come on. As I said, I'm a big Apple stan, but I think Apple is going too far with this Lightning cable thing. If you don't want to change the Lightning cable, which I am fine with, come up with a new Lightning cable that can give you the speed of USB-C, Thunderbolt speed. Because I'm not big on, oh yeah, I don't care what the cable is. I just want better speeds when it comes to transferring files. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. I'm Shango. See you in the next one. Bless up yourself.